CVS is the latest company to launch a drone delivery service.
That's right. The pharmacy chain is partnering with UPS, which recently received approval from the FAA to make limited drone deliveries. Now, the drones will be automated, flying on pre-planned routes, and as quickly as 5 or 10 minutes. We like that.
The pharmacy chain CVS is testing drones for the delivery of medications. They say the automated drones will drop your packages in your yard. A human will supervise and take over if the flight is needed for safety's sake. CVS hasn't said when or where the deliveries will begin. Rival Walgreens is already testing a drone delivery service in Virginia.